A sneak peek at the DJI Osmo Action 6. The overall design remains largely the same as the previous model, and theoretically there won't be any major functional improvements. DJI Osmo Action 6 come with 1/1.1 inch stacked CMOS sensor co-developed with Sony, which is significantly larger than previous models and potentially the same one as in the Osmo 360. And it's also first in action. And remember that bigger sensors usually means less noise with high ISOs. With variable aperture f/2.0 to f/4.0, a feature not typically seen on action cameras, this will help us to avoid using high shutter speeds but closing the diaphragm on the lens. The variable aperture represents a particularly noteworthy development. Most action cameras use fixed apertures, requiring ND filters for exposure control in bright conditions. A mechanically adjustable aperture would give creators natural depth of field control and eliminate the need for external filters in many shooting scenarios. Dual OLED displays front and rear. In video 8K at 30 frames per second, 4K at 120 FPS, 1080p at 240 FPS. In video codecs, support for HDR and ProRes, the latest iteration of DJI's electronic image stabilization, Rocksteady 4.0. Enhanced horizon steady feature with AI assistance for 360-degree horizon leveling. Smartwatch integration. Built-in connectivity with Garmin and Apple Watch for real-time tracking and data overlays. A 1950 mAh battery capable of over 4 hours of 4K recording. The ability to quickly swap batteries to extend shooting time. And storage of 64 gigabytes in addition to a micro SD slot. The camera is to be waterproof up to 20 meters, 60 meters with a case. The magnetic mounting system is likely to be retained. Wi-Fi 7 also includes. The starting price in the US will be $379. That compares to $349 for the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Standard combo bundle, though of course the bundle details may differ. The pricing will be £329 in the UK and €379 in Europe, according to the same tipster, with the more extensive Adventure combo package coming in at $479 per VIC, £419 per VIC, €479. That's a slight increase over the same bundle for the 2024 model camera. So see you on November 13th with full unboxing and review video of DJI Osmo Action 6.